Volatile ride for Curus stock price on Monday, moving between $1.09 and $1.96, updated on December 7, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 17th of November 2020 gained 12.50%. The Curus stock price fell by minus 23.40% on the last day, Monday, 7th of December 2020, from $1.88 to $1.44, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 79.82% from a day low at $1.09 to a day high of $1.96. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.77% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 11 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $19.28 million. This decade-long wealth pattern was hiding in plain sight. Some lines aren't meant to be crossed. However, there's one line on the stock market, invisible to most. When crossed, it could deliver you easy profits of up to $6,900, $11,820 and even $15,930 within days. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 27.78% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.55 and $2.57 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Curus stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.66. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1.29. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 3, 2020, and so far it has fallen minus 28.00%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk and stop loss. Curus finds support from accumulated volume at $1.37, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $1.37, $1.44, $1.45. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 87 cents between high and low, or 79.82%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 34.68%. Our recommended stop loss, $1.37, minus 4.86%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 2 days ago, Is Curus Stock I buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Curus stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score, 1.208. Predicted opening price for Curus of Tuesday, December 8, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. H.C. Wainwright is very positive to CRIS and gave it a buy rating on November 24, 2020. The price target was set to $5. Over the last 30 days, this security got 2 buy, 0 sell and 0 hold ratings.